Saving with Shay. I'm here for Target. Yes, yes, yes. We're doing Target. I feel like my camera is crooked. I don't know. I feel like it's crooked. Anyways, listen. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the Pow Pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure to smash like bunch of girl. And don't forget to hype your girl up as well. So, as far as Target, so I want to do the 10 off of 50 food deal, and then I'm gonna do the gift card spend 50 get back 15 deal as well. And so that's kind of what the plan is for today. I'm hoping that they have everything that I have on my list. With Target, I usually just add it to my cart and then see how it works out. I wanted to get the pizza, but the pizza, they only have it at the other store. I don't want to go that far. It's buy one, get one free in store. And then we have an offer on, I want to say, Social Nature for 50% back. We have two offers. So I wanted to see if I could get them both to attach, if I just submit the receipt twice. But again, I don't really want to go that far today. So I may try that when I post my Walmart video for you guys. Other than that, we're going to head to Walmart, y'all. We're going to see what kind of awesome... Let me say something really quick, y'all. Really quick. As far as Shopkick, because I got a comment, and I wanted to mention it. It's not a blame game, all right? I apologize sincerely if I have said anything to lead you to believe that I'm blaming people that had their money in the app when it shut down. It's not a blame game, you know, because it happened to a lot of people, all right? Various amounts. Like somebody said their mother had 1,000. Somebody said they had 600. Somebody said they had 400. So from that to some people had 5. Some people had less than $2, you know? It's not a blame game. It's just cash out, all right? It's not a blame game. I am not laughing at people. I'm not laughing at people. It's not a joke. It's not funny that people lost money. But I feel like when you do get, you know, so comfortable with the apps where you leave your money there, it's just you being comfortable. And again, if this doesn't teach you anything, it just teaches you to cash out, all right? The comment said something about influencers blaming. I'm not blaming nobody, all right? It has easily been me losing a lot. It could have, you know? So it's not a blame game, all right? It's not, all right? So with that being said, we're gonna head to Target. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what you got, you already know what to do. Hit the like button, keep watching, and hype your girl up. All right, y'all. So the first deal that I'm going to start off with is the spend 50 get back a $15 Target gift card. It's the household deal. First thing that I'm going to grab is going to be the Windex. It is priced at $3.09. We'll get back $1.25 on Ibotta. It'll bring it down to $2.74. Next up is the Palmolive Dish Soap. Now for this, you want to grab 2 of them. The 2 is going to come to $5.58, getting back $4 on Upromise, and then $1.10 on checkout 51. It would make them 48 cents each. I'm gonna go ahead and just max it out and grab 4, bringing them down to $2.06 for all 4. Okay, I'm also gonna be grabbing the Windex foam. It is priced at $3.89. For this, we're getting back $1.25 on Ibotta. It would bring it down to $2.64. Okay, I'm also gonna be grabbing the soft scrub as well. These are priced at $2.19. We'll grab 2 of them at a price of $4.38, getting back $2 on Ibotta. It's going to make it $2.38 for the 2 are only $1.19 each. Next up is the Honest wipes, priced at $10.99. We have a free offer for Social Nature. And then we also have $1.75 back on Ibotta, making this a $1.75 moneymaker. Next up is the Tide. It is priced at $4.99. We have $1.50 digital, which will bring your total down to $3.49, and then you'll get back $2.50 on Fetch Reward, making this only 99 cents. All right, and last but not least, I needed a little bit of a filler to give myself to 50. So I grabbed 2 of the deal-worthy gallon Ziploc bags, priced at $1.19. All right, so this is what our transaction is going to look like. That total was $50.66. We had the $1.50 digital, which will bring the total down to $49.16. We'll get back $15 Target gift card. We'll get back $10.99 from Social Nature, $8 from Upromise, $7.50 from Ibotta, $5 from Fetch, $1.10 from Checkout 51. It'll bring it down to $1.57 for everything, or only 11 cents per item. All right, next transaction, we're going to be doing the 10 off of 50 food and beverage coupon. And so for this, we're going to be starting off with the Horizon creamer. It's priced at $5.99. And for this, we're getting back $4 and Ibotta with a limit of 5. It's going to bring it down to $1.99 each. All right, so next up is the Rebel Protein. It is priced at $4.99. Now, when I factor in the 10 off of 50, I paid $4.02 out of pocket. Getting that back will make this absolutely free. All right, next up is the Gorgie. Is it Gorgie or is it Georgie? Anyways, they're priced at $2.99, so I'm going to go ahead and grab two of them. I'll pay $5.98. With the 10 off of 50 coupon, it's going to bring it down to $2.41. Back from aisles, making them $1.78 each. All right, next up is the Trip drink. It is priced at $3.29. We do have a free offer for Social Nature, making this absolutely free. And of course, I had to grab me another bag of the Wild Protein chips. Now for this, they're priced at $7.39. We do have a $3.50 offer for aisle. I'll have a link and I'll pin a comment. It'll bring it down to $3.89. I'll be using a free offer from you guys using my referral link. And so, yeah. All right, so this is what this transaction is going to look like. The total is going to come to $51.60. We have the 10 off of 50, which will bring the total down to $41.60. We'll get back 20 from Ibotta, $8.37 from aisle, $6.67 from Social Nature, bringing that down to only 65 cents per item. With that being said, I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. I mean, I did have to tweak a few things with the household deal because they only had 2 Tide left. And I kind of low-key knew that when I was trying to put everything in my cart online. It said they only had 2. And so I just thought maybe I might get lucky and find another one, but I didn't. So I swapped in the Windex and picked up the Ziploc bags because that's something that we need anyways. But it did work out good. I ordered the cord. This is the Target 360 free item. Well, one of them that you could choose. I got this because this is something I really, really need. And I ordered it like 2 days ago and just picked it up in store today because I didn't know how long it was going to last. And it's normally like $14, $15, which is really cool. I was happy to find the creamer because I used the last of my creamer yesterday, and I would have probably went out and paid like $4, $5 for some creamer. So to get that household deal for like $8 for everything, I was like so sold. What else other than that? I really want to try the protein one for the Gorgie. Is it pronounced Gorgie or Georgie? I feel like it's Gorgie. But anyways, I really want to try that one. I did try the Pepsi prebiotic, y'all. I really like it. Like I almost never get like any kind of flavored type of soda. Like I always get 0 sugar, whether it's Pepsi or Coke. But what is the other thing I tried? The Cove from Target. That one, it was like the something slushy, pink slushy. That one was really good too. I really like when we get to try things for practically free. I think those Pepsis were what, $1 a case, and Josiah likes it too, which I was really surprised. But yeah, super stoked about this haul. What did I want to mention? Everything worked out good. I did 2 different transactions. As far as my receipts, this is the food receipt right here. So I paid $41.75, including the CRVs. And then I think I got back like 30. What did I get back? I think I got back like 36 or something like that. It made that cost me like $8, which is really cool. And then the household one worked out good too. And so, yeah, I think the household deal ended up costing me $1.57 after all said and done. The food one cost me $6.56. So both transactions worked out good. What else? My receipt for the fetch, that one went straight through, no issues. I submitted the Palmolive to Upromise. I try to push my Upromise deals closer to the end of the month because it only pays out once a month and it's usually the first week of a new month. So I try to push all of the deals if I can as far to the end of the month as I can so I don't feel like I'm waiting too long. That receipt process went straight through. What else? I think that's basically it, y'all. Soft scrub worked out to be a little cheaper. I think online it said they were the same price as the Palmolive, $2.79, but in store they were actually $2.19. And so yeah, let me run through this really, really fast. Really quick though, y'all. Thank y'all so much for all y'all prayers, y'all well wishes for Josiah. He's feeling so much, but when he up playing his game, you know, it's a whole new day. Like, like seriously, when he eating and he playing his game, you know he good. So he's good. So thank you guys so much again for all the love and support and well wishes and prayers. Because as y'all know, as a parent, I mean, when your kids ain't right, you ain't right, you know? So that video, my energy wasn't even right. My vibe was completely off. And so yes, I just wanted to mention that really, really quick. So with that being said, everything you see here reaches $117.25. We had that 10 off of 50. We had the $1.50 off of the Tide, and then we had the Target Circle that made the USB cord free. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $90.76. We walk away with $27.50 from Ibotta, $17.66 from Social Nature, $15 Target gift card, $8.37 from Aisle, $8 from Upromise. Fetch Reward was $5. Last but not least, checkout 51 was $110. It's gonna bring our total to $82.63. It's gonna net everything you see here at $8.13. I am not mad at it. Because like I said, I needed creamer. I was gonna get that anyway. I needed a freaking charging cord. I was gonna get that anyway. I would have for certain paid more than $8 for all of this. So I am by no means complaining. And I got some freaking protein drinks too. And I got creamer that's gonna hold me down for a minute. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button at the door. Happy Easter to those of you who celebrated. Today is Good Friday. Also for those of you who celebrated, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.